Good evening, everybody. How are you? Well, today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is everything happens for a reason. Well, a child or a person would wonder, I've got hurt, it's bleeding, it's paining, it's hurting, and it happens for a reason. Yes, friends, even if you hurt yourself, it happens for a reason. First, that you were little careless because of which you got hurt, and secondly, the god thinks that you need little rest, you need to be little tension free, you need to be with your own self. That's the reason why you've been put to rest for some time because of the injury. Well, if you say a student who's going in the class gets scolded every time by the teacher, now a child would wonder, what's the reason and what's the good reason behind this? Well, the teacher is actually trying to put across that if there are mistakes that you're doing because of carelessness and there is a scope of improvement, then just look into it. Now let's say a mother goes in the kitchen, she prepares a delicious food for you, and one of the vegetables which she put it on the flame by mistake forgets to put off the flame and the vegetable gets burnt off. Now you would say, what was the reason of the vegetable getting burnt off? What's a good reason behind it? Well, it's a learning for a person to know that if you are doing something, you need to ensure, double check everything before leaving the place. So if I go in for a double check, maybe in the office, maybe in the house, maybe in the school, right, maybe we're going for the vacations, I will never have a problem of calling them back again or repenting or feeling sad, right? Now let's say I am working in an office and I get to have a boss who keeps screaming all the time. He doesn't know why is he screaming, and you don't know why is he screaming on you. Now what's the good reason behind it? See, I'll tell you. You would learn to be patient. You will learn to be cool. You will learn to handle the situation very, very calmly. You would know how to manage people, especially the bosses. Your managerial skill, your people handling skill will improve a lot, because a boss of these types actually teach you a lot, right? Now let's say I am organizing a webinar and I have just 30 minutes left for the webinar to start, and my light goes off. What do I do? Should I get tensed? Should I get panicked? Or should I relax myself and find a solution? So I am going to be a solution finder or a crying baby. So if I find a solution, I rush to a place of a friend or a relative or a mall or some cafe where I can plug in my laptop and start the webinar there. I know how to find solution to every problem that comes in my life. So friends, remember, whatever happens, happens for a reason, right? Now let's say, I remember I like to share one small instance of mine where I was walking down the stairs and I was not attentive and I slipped down 7 8 stairs in one go. Believe me, it was a good lesson, and since then till now I am very alert when I'm walking down the stairs. So whatever happens, happens to uplift you, upgrade you, to make you a better version of yours, and in the process you learn a lot of things. So friends, that's all for today. That's all from my side. Bye, take care, keep smiling. This is Suvya Bhatnagar, breakthrough strategist and a life changing coach. Bye for now.